welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll just film something very realistic for all of you girls, and I hope it is relatable. I'm on my periods, so I thought why not film my usual routine and what I usually do when I'm on my periods, and how I keep myself healthy at the same time, nourish my body, give in to my cravings at times, and keep a balance. If you're like me, then you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, stick around. Let's get on with the video and let's get started. I went for a run in the morning, and I had my breakfast, my coffee and everything.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I just did a very lightweight workout today. I just used a couple of dumbbells and did a full body split. Nothing too intense, nothing too stressful for my body. I do want to go for a long walk in the evening, so let's see how that goes. If I have the worst of cramps, I might not even get out of my bed. Alright guys, I wanted to mention one thing that I have recently introduced in my diet, in my everyday lifestyle. If you are in a fitness journey or a lifestyle improvement journey and want to improve your health, try incorporating moringa powder, or if you have access to moringa leaves, that is amazing. It has a lot of health benefits, antioxidants, and it is a superfood. This is what I am currently using. I've been using this for 2-3 weeks now, and this is from Organic India. I generally take once daily in normal water, and the taste is somewhat earthy but nothing aggressive. So yeah, I thought I should mention it to you guys as well. Alright guys, I'll just place you here and do a little bit of chit chat kind of a thing. I want to share a few things with you guys that I like to do that helps me through this time of the month. First thing, home cooked wholesome meals. It gets very tiresome to cook everything from scratch. Try to ingredient prep, that ways it'll save a lot of time. Next thing is snacking. I am a big potato chip addict, I would say. I know those chips and all that we get in the market are made with palm oil in general, MSG and palm oil, so all of that is not good. I try to avoid it, so I try and make healthier alternatives at home as a snack option. Also, I have been having raw coconut. It fills me up, aids to my craving, so I don't end up eating junk food and chips as much. Another thing that I love having is my morning coffee. I make my coffee with low-fat milk, regular low-fat milk, and some honey. This is about food. Now coming to the other things, most often than not I would rather sit in a corner and read or lie down, but sometimes I like to put a face mask and do a little bit of pamper sesh, or maybe go out for a long walk, so that helps. So you can do that as well. Apart from that, I like to keep myself busy. I think that's about it. These are few things that I like to do, and I don't like to change a lot of my routine during that time of the month. So yeah, I hope this was helpful in some way. So right now I'm just sitting here and I'll go and prepare some food because it is almost noon and I like to have my lunch around this time. So I'll just prepare something and guys, it is the next day and right now I'm back from a long walk. Generally I run as well, but during that time of the month I just like to listen to my body and do what it tells me. So I just went for a walk and it is currently 7 now, so I'll just prepare my moringa water. Like I showed you yesterday, I'm having moringa water almost every day without failure, and I'll just prepare that and have that right now. Of black coffee along with some honey, and I've added a little bit of water as well, cold water to this. Here I have the milk that I'm going to add to my black coffee. ये भी मैंने froth कर लिया है, so I like it like this. इतनी मेहनत नहीं होती है, just the right proportion. So this I'll go, add here. Lovely. कुछ ऐसा barista style तो हुआ नहीं, but this is fine as well. I think so. Here my coffee is. This is my coffee. So guys, here is my breakfast. I prepared some rava idli, and along with that I have coconut chutney that I prepared last night. So this is going to be my breakfast. It's nice, filling, nourishing and healthy at the same time. So guys, it's around 5 p.m. and I am hungry. So I've grabbed this protein bar and it has 10 grams of protein. It has dark chocolate and cranberry. It's a good brand. I've tried their protein bars before and I've liked it. So I'll have a little bit of it. So I wanted to share with you.